Exit 3479, Foxtrot Alpha, Yankee and Hotel. Hold short of runway 4 left, remain this frequency.
Foxtrot Alpha, Yankee and Hotel with you, flagship 3479.
Flight 3479, I'm going to change that. At Yankee, make a right turn at Gulf and hold short of runway 4 left.
Alright, Yankee, make the right turn at Golf for flagship 3479.
Thanks, flagship 3479, and at Gulf, hold short of runway 4 left.
And at Golf, short of 4 left, flagship 3479.
Roger, where do you enter the ramp?
Delta Alpha.
Thank you. Taxi right Bravo and monitor ground point and have a good day.
Right Bravo, ground point 9, 4.
Exit 3479, Foxtrot Alpha, Yankee and Hotel. Hold short of runway 4 left, remain this frequency.
Foxtrot Alpha, Yankee and Hotel with you, flagship 3479.
Flight 3479, I'm going to change that. At Yankee, make the right turn at Gulf and hold short of runway 4 left.
Alright, Yankee, make the right turn at Golf for flagship 3479.
Thanks, flagship 3479, and at Gulf, hold short of runway 4 left.
And at Golf, short of 4 left, flagship 3479.
Roger, where do you enter the ramp?
Delta Alpha.
Thank you. Taxi right Bravo and monitor ground point and have a good day.
Right Bravo, ground point 9, 4.
4, Roger, where do you enter the ramp?
Delta Alpha.
Thank you. Taxi right Bravo and monitor ground point and have a good day.
Right Bravo, ground point 9, 4.
Flight 3479, Kennedy, Tower, following heavy increase 37.5 miles ahead, caution wake German, wind 32011, gust 19, rolling 4, clear to land.
Clear to land, flagship 3479.